Hi, and welcome to Thriving Gracefully. As women over 50, we do need to pay a little bit more attention to what we eat now than we did when we were younger. We just can't eat as many calories, frankly, and it's very important to eat healthy foods. So I try to find things that are satisfying, that fill me up, that are healthy, but don't add to the calorie count. And I have this fabulous recipe. It's kind of like a frittata, and I'm going to show you how to make it.
Let's have a look at the ingredients. So these are, I think I've got about 14 spears of asparagus. It doesn't really matter how many, but I like to make a little bed in the bottom of the frying pan. This is a 10-inch frying pan, non-stick, highly recommended. And I sprayed it lightly with olive oil spray. And these are frozen asparagus from Trader Joe's, and I just put them in the bottom of the pan. I've got some greens. This is arugula, but you can use any kind of greens you want. I've got some tomatoes sliced. I've got the artichokes. These are the frozen artichokes that are no oil, of course, and I just thawed them. I've got 3 eggs. I've got some sliced mushrooms. This is one of my favorite spices from Trader Joe's. Everything but the bagel, it's delicious. And then grated parmesan cheese. And if you don't use too much, it still doesn't violate Weight Watchers points. I've got the pan over medium heat, and then I have my greens, which I'm just gonna add in real easily here on the top. I like to put a nice layer so that it kind of pretty much covers the asparagus. I like to dump kind of a generous, whoops, that's kind of a lot, but that's okay. They're so delicious and they're essentially free of calories. And then I am going to add just a little bit of water in the bottom because I want to steam these vegetables a little bit. I've let the vegetables get nice and soft, covered for a few minutes, and I've since turned the temperature down to kind of medium-low. I like to put a generous amount in here to give it just a nice flavor, and I often add some at the end too. So the next step is to pour in the eggs. Now I've taken those 3 eggs and beat them till they're nice and blended. I didn't add anything, no milk or cheese or anything. And then I just kind of smooth things around. I should also mention that sometimes after softening the vegetables, there's a little bit of liquid left in the bottom, and I just use a turkey baster to get rid of that. So my next step here is I like to arrange my artichokes kind of around the edge, like that. I just spread out the tomatoes rather evenly, get another little bit of spice going, and then I finish it off here with what amounts to about a tablespoon of just plain old grocery store grated parmesan. Now I'm going to cover this, cook it on low heat until everything firms up. I coaxed it out of the pan with a large spatula, and be sure if you cook it on too high of a heat, it sometimes sticks even with nonstick. But use a nonstick pan, as I said, and cook it at fairly low heat, and it should pop right out of your pan pretty easily with a decent sized spatula. And then I add a nice dose of salsa on the top, and boy, what a yummy lunch.
Now it's time for me to dig in. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. See you next time.